In this video, we're just going to take a look at one thing, something called the coefficient of variation, or the CV. For a set of non-negative sample or population data, it's expressed as a percent and describes the standard deviation relative to the mean. For a sample, our formula is S, our standard deviation, divided by x bar, our mean, times 100%. The formula for a population is the same. It's our population standard deviation sigma divided by the mean mu times 100%. So what this is really useful for looking at is when you're comparing data that don't have the same units. So in our example, we're going to look at the variation of the number of chocolate chips in Chips Ahoy regular cookies and the weights of regular Coke. Using the sample data, we have the results that cookies have a mean of 24 chips and a standard deviation of 2.6 chips, and Coke has a mean of 0.81682 pounds and a standard deviation of 0.00751 pounds. So it's really hard to tell which of those two is varying more based off of the mean and the standard deviation. So this is where the CV is very useful. So let's compute the CV for both of these. Sample standard deviation for the Chips Ahoy cookies was 2.6. We want to divide that by the mean of 24 and then multiply by 100%. So if we take 2.6 and divide it by 24 and then multiply by 100% and then round to one decimal place, we get 10.8%. Now do the same thing for Coke. Our CV is the standard deviation divided by the mean x bar times 100%. And that would be 0.00751 divided by 0.81682 times 100%. So computing that, 0.00751 divided by 0.81682, and then multiplying that by 100%, and rounding to one decimal place, we get 0.9%. So we can see from this that the number of chocolate chips in a Chips Ahoy regular cookie has more variation, or varies more than the weight of a regular Coke. So that is it. This is, again, just a way for us to compare how much variation there is in a set of data. And the higher the CV that you have, the more variation there is in your data. And again, it's nice because we can compare things that don't have the same units. So that's it for this video, and I hope you're having a great day.